This is life of Wanunga once again. Today it's another day. We have a bad weather today. It's another storm. So now I want to show you how outside looks like. I am here with my grandkids. They were trying to explain about the weather today. I'm Miss Siko and Lamu. They want to say something about the weather today. So Miss Siko, go ahead. Today,
there was a very bad snowstorm, and like a tree froze and fell down, and the grass is frosted.
So the school has been cancelled.
Yeah, I get so many days off. I got 4 days off.
Yeah, 4 days now. Go to school. Many appointment has been cancelled. So now we are just here. Some places we don't have electricity. So some people has no electricity since yesterday because of the storm.
Yesterday, in the den, the lights were flashing on and off.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me and Lambo were just there watching TV. Even the TV almost died.
Oh, no, that's bad. So this is the weather today, but not only here, it's maybe everywhere. Many places, many states, they have the storm. So we keep praying. I know God will do something good. And yeah, that's how it looks outside today. Remember to...
No.
Okay.
What happened to Lamu's turn?
Okay, Lamu, your turn. You want to say something?
Say something about the trampoline.
Say something about the...
Of the bottom of the trampoline, there's icicles and we can't go outside when it's a snowstorm, and you will get into the sky to face it, and then you'll never get back, and you will miss your mommy and daddy.
And also, so if you were out there too long, you could get frostbite, and something will turn black, and yeah, the trampoline's frozen. They got icicles.
Okay, that's it for today. Remember,
make sure you
share, subscribe,
and like to Life of Wanunga. Bye. Or you will.